This edition of MacVoices is brought to you by SupportYourApp. Focus on growth. Build your customer support the smart way. SupportYourApp specializes in supporting Mac and iOS apps since 2011. Scale smarter. Leverage a remote support team with SupportYourApp at SupportYourApp.com. MacVoices is at AltConf and WWDC in San Jose. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, I get a chance to talk for the first time to Daria of SupportYourApp about their service that supports your app if you're a developer. Daria, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me today.
I'm anxious to hear about this because you were recommended by one of our previous guests that you do their support, and so I want to know what kind of support you offer for developers for their apps.
Yeah. So basically, we provide client and customer support services for Mac developers 24/7 in 15 languages, outsourced. And if you have application, especially if we're talking about Mac applications right now, everyone thinks that it's in-house support team answering phone calls, emails, live chats. However, it's our team behind the scene and just answering all those requests.
So you make all those developers look like they have these huge support teams that are available all the time, and it's really you.
Yeah, it's our team that are based in Ukraine. We have around 300 employees right now, and we are based in Ukraine.
Okay, so I'm a developer, I have a Mac app, and I want your support. Obviously, I sign up with you, and we'll get to that later, but how much training or information do I need to give to you for you and your people to deliver the kind of support that I really want for my clients?
Good question. So usually the training process takes from 2 to 6 weeks, and it just depends on the product complexity. Our team just inquire your culture, your policy, play with your product, installing it, and just making sure that we know everything about the product. And you give us all information that you have. Let's say knowledge base, Q&A, some troubleshooting, access to your existing CRM system, so we can check the previous history of your correspondence with users. However, if you don't have, let's say, a knowledge base, that's totally fine. We can just do it for you, because we collect answers of users. Even if we don't have these answers, we escalate the question to you, collect this information, and put it in our knowledge base for future references. So anyway, we create this knowledge base for you as well. And to answer the question, again, it's from 2 to 6 months, and it just depends on the product complexity.
So you're providing actual tech support, not just I lost my license, or I don't know if I bought this app, or whatever kind of crazy questions you get.
Yeah, we start providing customer support, and then in time, when our agents are experienced enough, we can switch to the level 2 support. When we answering more complicated questions, let's say we can just connect using Teamviewer to your user's computer, help collect some logs, maybe set up something on user's behalf, and then we this the way we can handle level 2 support. But just to make sure that we deliver excellent high-level support, we start with level 1, making sure that we know everything, our clients are happy, satisfied, and after that we move into level 2 support. For some of our clients, we also deliver pre-sales kind of client support. Let's say if you have Mac application and your users just want to know about requirements, about the maybe discounts, and how the product works. So we answer these questions, and on the phone we even want to convince our caller to buy the license right now with the discount that we can provide right now.
So there's a little marketing going on here too.
Yeah.
Okay, very, very interesting. So you've kind of ran through a lot of different support options there, but you did say Teamviewer. So you have the option, if I give you permission, to log into my computer. Is that something that anybody needs to be concerned about from a security standpoint, or Teamviewer has a pretty good reputation, but anytime I give anyone access, I am a little concerned with what they might be doing that I don't know that they're doing.
Of course, if you're a user, let's say, and you can give us the access to your computer, you can see what our agent's doing right now. However, it's also a good question, and everyone right now is concerned about the security, GDPR, and all these topics are very, very important right now. So what we do on our side with agents, we have very strict NDAs and agreements. So of course, it's just let's say on the document side. However, we also have our DPO, we have our chief protection officer, and all the security team that is also monitoring how everything is going from the security side.
Okay, so, and you obviously have the reputation, and I don't want to ask you to reveal a client list. We talked about some of that offline, and there's some names that we all know and recognize as having great support. So you're doing a great job for the ones that I've encountered.
Thank you so much. And I hope to see you next time. It's the first time for us, for SupportYourApp here. We just decided to come here today and to meet our current clients, say hi, to network. So I'll be happy to see our maybe new clients next year at WWDC as well.
I hope so. So the last question I have to ask is the bottom line for everyone, and that is the cost.
Yeah.
How do you price, and what kind of tiers of support do you have for, I guess, do you just have one package that includes everything, or can I buy just phone support or just online chat?
Our price structure based on the number of agents and the price is fixed per month. Basically, one agent, it doesn't matter whether it's phone, email, live chat, the price will be the same, but the differs only about the number of agents and dedication. Sometimes with the startup companies, they don't have enough workflow, but they would like to have 24/7 support because they just want to have a very good SLA with clients and reply time, reaction time. So for these guys, for these clients, we have a shared option. It's the one team is shared between two companies. So the price is lower, but usually it's the price is per agent per month.
Price per agent per month per product?
No product, per client.
Per client. So if I have if you have a client that has 4 different products,
yes.
You're supporting all 4.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sure. Okay. That definitely helps.
Yeah.
So it makes more sense if someone has more products to come to you, get that support. That's one thing off of their plate, and yeah, that works.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So far, so good.
Yeah. The website where folks can maybe learn more and sign up if they feel it's appropriate.
SupportYourApp.com.
Simple. Daria, thank you so much.
Thank you so much as well.
See you next year.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you. Thank you.
Folks, we'll have more from WWDC and AltConf. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.